Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought of a really good idea to get some, I guess, spa services in while we're in quarantine. I need a wax. I'm gonna have my kids do it. So let's have Nyla first.
Okay, can you say hi?
Yes, you can say hi. Alright, so I'm gonna have my daughter come up first, and she's gonna tell me which part she would like to wax using
Hi guys, I'm a professional.
using these wax strips that I bought off of Amazon Prime. And okay, so what do you want to wax? My mustache, my underarm, or my arm?
Your arm.
Okay. Okay, my skin's already clean. I did put lotion on, so hopefully that's okay. So it says rub strips between your palms. All right,
Guys, if you know something, this big bowl is so big. It's like giant. It's like bigger than
this. Oh, okay. So we're gonna rub it between our hands. So rub it like this between your hands so you can get it nice and warmed up.
Okay.
So we're gonna rub that together. And you better not hurt me.
I won't.
Okay, let me warm it up a little bit more. And so basically, it says after you rub it up and you get it warm, break the two strips and then apply it where you're going to wax. So I'll separate it for you. I'm just gonna separate that. So now we've got two strips to apply in two separate areas. So, okay, let's bring the camera down so that they can
So guys,
watch you. You gotta put it on and like press it on pretty hard. So let's bring the camera down a little bit.
So guys,
Oh, right there? Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna
You gotta press it down really hard. Alright, so what you're gonna do after you press it down really hard is you're going to quickly but evenly pull it up. But so first hold on to here. No, just press it down and then hold on. Okay. And then at the count of 3 you're gonna rip it up. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you gotta go faster than that. That actually wasn't bad, but as you can see, no hair was brought up because she didn't go fast enough. So let's see. I don't know if you can use it over again, but let's try my lower arm. You gotta go quick.
But it's gonna hurt.
It's okay. Pain is beauty.
It hurt her.
Beauty is pain. All right.
Mom, is it gonna be blue on you?
No. Go fast. That was better than last time. Let's see if we got any hair up. I still don't think we got any hair up.
There's a little bit.
And now my
I
arm
can
is
tell.
completely sticky.
Sticky,
Let's see.
sticky, wicky.
Get that stickiness off. Okay, I mean, actually you did get a little bit of hair up. It's gonna do it in a different area. Rub it. Rub. Okay, we needed some more light. Wait, rub even longer. Rub. Okay, ready? All right, okay. Do it fast.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, these are actually not that bad. I actually like these.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna try to make it even on this side too. All right, feel my arm. Nice and smooth.
It's so nice and smooth.
Now feel this one. Is there a difference?
Yeah.
This
I want to
one's
do the
smoother,
other
right?
one.
No. It's Riley's turn. I've only got 2 of the 4 children with me doing this because the baby is actually asleep and my oldest is on FaceTime, so he has no time for me. So Nyla did my arm. You can either do my mustache or my underarm.
Underarm.
Okay. So for that, because my underarm is not this long, we're gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it in half. Our arms ready. Don't judge me. We're in quarantine. So I do have a little peach fuzz going on. And we're going to take care of that at spa. Kids spa.
Kids spa.
Okay. Warm it up. 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 And I'm going to split these 2 strips. Now this I feel like is going to hurt. You think it's going to hurt?
Yep.
And I have a feeling that Riley has no problem with ripping it really hard.
Yeah, I'm strong, literally.
Okay, press it down. Press it down. All over my skin. And then rip it up as fast as you can.
Okay.
Okay, still not so bad. Did we get any hair off?
No.
No, we did we? No, not really.
I did it fast because I'm very strong.
You are very strong. Let's try another strip. These are actually pretty painless, I would say.
I'm gonna do both of your armpits.
Okay. Rub it, rub it, rub it. Okay, now rip it off really fast. You're lucky, mommy. Ow, now that kind of hurt.
Mommy, I got here.
You got, oh, literally one hair.
The other one,
All right, let's see. Maybe we have to get it warm just for a second. This is embarrassing.
Like, your armpits smell a little bit good,
Buzz.
but it smells awful.
We're going to take care of that.
Honey, I'm gonna do it.
Okay?
Take care.
All right,
Take care.
don't put it on your fingers.
It's sticky.
All right, put it all over where you see hair. Press it down really good. We need this hair to come off of my armpits.
Ah!
This is not cute. Okay, ready? Fast. Fast, fast, fast. You guys must want me to be able to
I got one here.
Okay.
Can I show them? Can I show them? Mom, can I show them?
Actually got 2 hairs. Alright, I'm gonna do this one myself and see if I can get up.
I got 2 hairs. Mama, can I do I'm glad that it's not showing. But we're gonna cut it in like the strip.
Maybe I'll try going down.
Mom, what
You're
about
supposed
this
to go
one?
against
This part of your arm.
the hair. The growth of the hair.
Grab it up,
In the opposite direction.
Grab
So
it
let's see.
Mommy, why do you have a diamond? Bite.
Okay, see that's how you're supposed to do it.
Let me smell.
Look at that.
Let me see.
Definitely
Let me
got
smell
way more off.
I saw your armpit. Bite.
Wait a second. Oh, it's
Bite.
Alright, so it's pretty smooth. It's not all gone, and I'll take care of the rest of that later. So now Nyla's gonna do the other side.
So guys,
listen, you're gonna rip it that way.
Okay, I'm scared, guys.
Alright, be gentle with me.
Okay.
Or just go fast. Oh.
Do. Wait, do you want to count down?
3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh. Alright, the mustache is
That's what it
definitely
looks like.
the most painful area.
That's what it looks like. We barely
And on
got
my lip
here.
gloss. Let me see. Yeah, I barely got any hair, but that's a good thing. It must mean that I don't have a lot. Alright guys, so we are all done. I've got my mustache waxed, my arm waxed, and my armpits nice and clear. Thank you for watching this video.
And I hope you subscribe and like and hit the notification bell.
Bye.
And comment down below if you like waxing.
Alright.
And we'll